Quincy, what are you doing?
Can we get her a Kleenex, please?
Oh, Quincy. Quincy. Can you say hi to Grammy and Grandpa? Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Quincy. Hey, Quincy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Can you believe how much fun that is? Can you believe what a waste of Kleenex this is? What a great game. Are you going to put them all back? Can you put those back? Cram it in there. Atta girl.
Keep doing it, Quincy. Keep pushing it. Put the Kleenex back.
Oh, but then I get to take it back out again. Yeah, stuff it in there.
Push it back in.
Good job, kiddo. Yeah.
There's some more. You can put some more in there.
Game over. Hey. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Grammy and Grandpa. Oh, with a wave. That was so